You're okay. What you're hearing is a phantom noise. It's that high frequency ring left behind after the music stops. The static of an analog radio station that lost its signal decades ago. The quiet, persistent vibration of a mind running on empty in a crowded room. It's the sound of things that aren't there anymore, and the things that never were. We welcome you to this escape from reality, an escape that you and many others yearn for. Though you may hear echoes from your past or voices from the present, the phantom noise is only an indication that you have arrived at your destination. Your wounds will heal, but they will never fade. You will only learn to bear them with time. Subconsciously, you know your worth. But it seems you're too distracted by fear to accept your place. Your soul is not for bargain, but rather for balance. It must not be misused.
Will I ever feel the same? Good times were lost, I still remain. How did it spray? Lost parasite. I've seen it all, I lived it twice. I fall to you, your love's advice. You know my name, you clear my eyes. You kiss my face, you see my life. It's all for yours, I know it's right. When it rains it pours, I'm by your side. When it rains it pours, I'm by your side. When it rains it pours, I'm by your side. When it rains it pours.
Is it acceptance that you deny? Why must every battle be fought alone? Have you forgotten your purpose? Have you wondered why you shut down and get in the way of your destiny? The ringing you hear isn't guilt. It's interference when you veer too far in the wrong direction.
Yo, Doc.
Been sober 4 months, still sleepless. Eyes shot red, but it's not what you thinking. Hey mama, hope you been alright. Hey boss, I hope you been alright. Trying to do it on my own, and I don't know. I don't really comprehend where I'm supposed to go. Felt like music was my friend and it's tobacco. Smoke coke, travel through the back roads, gets cold. I realize I'm not who you know. I realize it's all for the show, but at least in the end I did all that I know. I did all that I know. Trying to show my daughter dreams can be real, even when it gets tough and loses its appeal. Came a long way from the pill bottles. Came a long way, though I'm still hollow. Came a long way. Sometimes you go the wrong way. Came a long way. Sometimes you go the wrong way. And tomorrow never calls my name. And the forecast feels too strange. And the walls cave in and the earth don't spin. I'ma hold my breath and I'ma save my spit. I'ma scream real loud and say fuck that shit. Hold up. Let me talk my shit. If tomorrow never calls my name, and the forecast feels too strange, and the walls cave in and the earth don't spin, I'ma hold my breath and I'ma save my spit. I'ma scream real loud and say fuck that shit. I'ma scream real loud and say fuck that shit. I'ma scream real loud and say fuck that shit. Hold up. Let me talk my shit. Been sober 4 months, still sleepless. Eyes shot red, but it's not what you thinking. Hey mama, hope you been alright. Hey boss, I hope you been alright. Trying to do it on my own, and I don't know. I don't really comprehend where I'm supposed to go. Feel like music was my friend and it's tobacco. Smoke coke, travel through the back roads, gets cold.
Are you finally realizing you are no longer alone? You've tested the strength of your willpower, seemingly re-establishing what was once diminished by vice. Let the noise guide you rather than pick you apart.
You make me homesick. I got no soul still. Seasons keep changing. My heart don't know this. Retrograde in my thoughts, I'm losing focus. Oh, you're all that I want. The wounds have opened inside out, and I got no way around. Guess I'm waiting around. Inside out, and I got no way around. Guess I'm waiting around. You make me homesick. I got no soul still.
Retrograding is generally moving backward or going in a direction opposite to the usual, normal, or forward motion. While you may have a tendency to do so, the noise has guided your accountability for your actions. Rest assured the phantom noise can be a friend. If you're scared of your dreams, then why do you embrace your nightmares? Truly surprised you find time, for either considering you run from the thought of sleep yet can barely stay awake. What are they trying to tell you? To pick and choose what you're running from is a fool's choice. You must embrace every and any opportunity to grow.
Let the smoke bleed out the window with this shit and hit the road. I see the flames spark up the cherry in the night. I'm never home, they think I'm tripping. I ain't listen to the talk, I've been a ghost. If you see me out in public, no you didn't, I don't know. I see ghosts, 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 I see ghosts. Let the smoke bleed out the window with this shit, then hit the road. I see the flames spark up the cherry in the night. I'm never home, they think I'm tripping. I ain't listen to the talk, I've been a ghost. If you see me out in public, no you didn't, I don't know. I say a prayer for my soul and hope it never finds a home. I think I'm better when it wrong. I can't get used to feeling home. This ain't sadness or depression, it's my preference in this presence. I got love for better times and I got love for when it's lies. Either way, that shit don't faze me. Put that bullet to my pride. Ego, that's my suicide. Don't need a chaser for this life. I take it straight and break them lines. Cut the ties I've intertwined. Burning bridges just to cry. I said it's fine, I'll never die. I see ghosts, 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 I see ghosts. It is not a creature of flesh and bone, but an echo, a silhouette of tomorrow's regrets, trapped in yesterday's mother.
And that's the end of the tape. If you made it this far, thank you for listening to Phantom Noise. We spend so much of our lives running from things we can't even see. We try to outrun the love that left us behind, the pain we never gave a name to, the self-doubt that whispers in the quiet moments, and the addictions we used to know it all. We treat these emotions like ghosts. Like a phantom noise ringing in our ears, unreal, unresolved, just out of reach, but always there. But you can't outrun a sound that's coming from inside you. The biggest lie we tell ourselves is that the past is a cage. We think the only way to heal is to burn the bridge, forget the history, and look forward. But the past isn't a prison sentence, it's a blueprint. Every heartbreak, every stumble, every moment of empathy you gave to someone who didn't deserve it, it's not waste. It's the raw material. You don't have to run from where you've been. You just have to stop letting it dictate where you're going. Take the noise. Take the phantoms. Put them under the microscope, look them in the eye, and use them to restructure how you see the world. You survived the noise. Now, use it to build something real. Thank you for listening. Press eject when you're ready.